Okay, so first of all, you have to put the live fish in a bowl and you add salt to it. Then you cover it. After some minutes, you take it out. Then that's the sour leaf. You have to wash it and put it together. Then you wash the salt away from the salt that has killed the fish. You wash it very well, take out the salt from it. Then you take the sour leaf and you rub it on the fish. You see it will clean and remove all the slime and give it a white silver color with no rank and no slime on it. And after that, you cut it into the chunk you want it. I'm using knife. You can use whatever thing you have to cut with it. Then you cut it into chunks and then you remove the fin using either, if you have a butcher knife, I'm using scissors. Now you take again the sour leaf and clean each of the junk you've got from the fish. You wash it very well with clean water to remove the sour leaf from the fish. Wash, clean. Now you can see it's white silver. It's very clean, no slime, no ranky. Wash it very well with clean water. You wash the inside of the head and every part. You wash it very well. Yeah, so as you see I'm doing right now, you wash the mouth and everything. You can see, yes, it's very clean. You can see, yep. Then after that, you can see now I'm putting ginger powder, black pepper powder, also a little, yeah, that's the ginger powder, you can see there. And then you put garlic powder as well. Then after that, you can put cube Maggi. I'm using patty, which is a brand in Ceylon. Yeah, I'm also, yeah, that's what I'm using. I'm mixing out to ensure that all the seasoning go well into the fish, because the seasoning does not normally go into the head by itself. So I'm taking some of the seasoning and put it into the head of the fish to ensure that it's seasoned well. So that's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I'm doing that. Yep, so we have done mixing the fish with the seasoning, and now we'll leave it for it to marinate, and now we go to the fire. So that's it. That's the pot on the stove. We are putting palm oil, a little bit of it to heat. Yes, after heating for some minutes, we'll put our vegetable, our pepper and onions that was ready before set. Now that's it. We are putting it into the hot palm oil and allow it to fry. Yep, as you can see. So you have to put everything. I have to put my ginger powder a little bit. I have to use a Maggi cube as well on this. I'm using Ami, my name. And also I'm going to use a hunger as well, hunger Maggi as well, to put it there, and then I cover and allow it to fry a little bit. So it's now fried, so I'm mixing it to ensure that I get consistency of the taste of all the seasoning and everything that I've put. Now pouring water to the amount I want it, so you can pour the amount of water you think you want to your taste, right? So I pour some water and cover it now, mix everything and cover it for some like 10-15 minutes. Now you see, after 10-15 minutes, you see how it's boiling. Now I put the marinated catfish into the soup. Yes, that's it. So I put it into the soup and mix it well. That's it, all the fish into the soup. Yes. So now after 10 minutes, you see how it goes. Now you see everything is cooked well. At this stage, you can decide to add whatever you want to add. If you want to add more salt, more Maggi. But for me, the taste was okay for me. So I allowed it to boil again for some minutes. Then now I serve it. Yes, that's it. This is it. I serve it with the soup. So guys, thanks for watching, and